How to log in social earning. Hi guys, it's Migrant from Earning Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into social earning. Login in social earning is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit social earning, type social earning, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on first link, it will take you directly to the login page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you will typically see fields to enter your email and your password. Input the email associated with your social earning in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, scroll down and enter your Gmail, and if you are a new user, click on sign in. Click on login. After entering your credential, click on the login button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.